Hi everybody, Vincent Aiello with Barco Inc. Today we're here to talk to you about the new features of EventMaster 6.5. As always, you can find a full list of these features in the What's New file that's located in your download package that can be found here. So today we have a huge list of features that we think you're going to love, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so first on the list is the EventMaster Fiber Output Card. The card features two SFP Plus cages that can take advantage of your own SFP modules, or you can purchase optional SFP transceivers from Barco. The transceivers from Barco use LC-terminated single-mode fiber. Now the card itself can output two discrete HDs or one 4K with a split. You can also rotate those destinations in 90-degree increments. We've added gamma functions like HLG and HDR10 as a pass-through only. We've added colorimetry processing like Rec 2020 as well as P3. And we now support a system native rate up to 120 Hz. The new Windows installer allows the user to choose to launch EventMaster toolset after installation or launch every time Windows boots. The uninstall tool now removes all old SIM configurations. We've added admin lock mode to the front panel of the E2 or S3 under the System menu. When this mode is enabled, all EventMaster toolset GUI connections to the E2 or S3 will not be allowed to delete inputs, outputs, destinations, presets, user keys, queues, or external devices. Users will be allowed operator-level functionality to recall presets, queues, and transitions. We've added a VPU Resource tab to the configuration page. This gives the user the ability to see where canvas and layers are being processed in the VPU banks. We now allow you to sort inputs, stills, destinations, and backgrounds by number or by name. We've added a VESA Calculator to the bottom of the Custom Format Adjustment tab. Simply enter an active horizontal and vertical resolution as well as refresh rate, and then choose the type of reduced blinking desired for the signal timing. We will now warn users if firmware is mismatched from master to slave units, including minor versions. Using the web app, updating the firmware of a master chassis subsequently updates all linked chassis. The Layer tab now shows super destination layers. We've increased external devices and the commands they carry from 12 to 24. We now include shutter and light source commands on pulse projectors. You're now able to duplicate entire devices, including their commands. And HTTP protocol and hexadecimal formatted commands are now supported. For user keys, we've now enabled a freeze checkbox. For queues, we have the ability to copy and duplicate an entire queue. We've also added a go-to function, which will allow the user to do loops or simply jump to another queue. We've added a refit button to the Multi-View tab. This is used when aspect ratio changes happen to sources or destinations. The user can then force the MVR window to refit the new aspect ratio. And new in version 6.5 for the ImagePRO 4K specifically is front panel control for matrix preview mode. We now offer the ability to genlock to an input. We've added flicker filter control to interlaced outputs. All right, that about wraps it up for version 6.5, but before we let you go, we do want to announce the new VMware simulator. The VMware simulator includes all the functions of the real hardware except for live inputs and outputs. Remember, if you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out to us on the Barco Folsom Switchers page on Facebook or at e2@barco.com. Thanks again.